This is a little trickier, but you could, I guess, get an itemized list of what your car needs if it is in for repair. And say if it's at I don't know, like a Napa Pro or something, take those part numbers in and take them to another Napa counter and get the prices on those parts. Make sure they're not overcharging you on parts, because that happens a lot. And I know it's kind of built into their business model, but it's BS, because they make you think that's the price, that's the cost of the part, when actually that's their price. And a couple times I've run into it where they'll on some larger parts they'll almost double the price, and it's pretty sneaky. So don't take their itemized price list that's the cheapest you can get that part for. Even the same part number, just using Napa as an example, you can go to a Napa and get a price even over the phone for those parts and say, what's up? And then see what they say. Lately I've found the dealer is like the most honest on parts price, and their labor is a little more, but it's just worked out better sometimes. Anyway, that's my 3 tips, well, 3.5, for not getting ripped off. Go in early, know your vehicle, try and do some yourself if you can, or know someone you can, and yeah, check those parts prices, because they can be real buggers about it. All right, thanks. Good luck.